If you have both Philips Hue and Google Home, then it's really easy to create a light-based and sound-based dance party for your kids. Let's create a kids dance party with Hue and Google Home. Now, your Hue Melodi application is what you need first, and you're going to actually go to your Philips Hue hub, tap on the button on the top, and then hit that connect button inside the application. After a short demo of how the application works, you will actually get this interface, and you can choose which lights will be used within the effect. So you're going to get a color bulb effect for the most part, so you want to select your color bulbs. This will work with the other ones, but you can see I'm selecting my color bulbs. You're going to set the mic sensitivity. It really doesn't change a lot if you set your phone near one of your Google Home speakers. Change your light brightness, your light color palette, and then also the different saturation levels that it can switch between at the very bottom. Finally, to start the process of your lights changing colors, you will actually hit that play button, and that will start the phone listening for music to be played. Speaking of which, once you've done that, you can go into your music application, and hopefully it has a Chromecast button, but I'm using Google Play Music. You could use YouTube Music or another service. As long as it has that Chromecast button in it, this will allow you to play it across many speakers. Otherwise, you're just going to be limited to one. So when I hit that Chromecast button, I can choose from my different groups and my different speakers that I have in the Google Home application. Now, switching over to there, in case you don't have a group you want to use, well, you just hit that plus up in the top left corner, choose Create Speaker Group, choose the different speakers that you want to be included. You want to have all of these speakers play the music, and then you're going to name your group. Now, I'm just going to call it Other Group so that you can see that name in my Google Play Music application. So I'm going to hit save there. It's created that group, and we'll switch back to Google Play Music. And when you look through the list, you will find Other Group. So simply tap on that, and that will start the music playing on all those speakers. Now here's the result you get. If you're looking for other fun ideas to set up for your kids in your smart home, we have a whole playlist here on Automate Your Life tutorials. Until next time, thanks for watching, and of course, don't hate, automate.